I hear from a lot of people that they have knee pain. Well, I'm going to show you a couple tricks to at least assess your knees to keep them in check. So we know that really tight quads can lead to knee pain because it pulls on the attachments. So you can always roll the quad, but I'm going to have you roll around the knees gently. Roll deep in the quads, but roll around the knees gently to assess whether or not there's any areas that feel sensitive, inflamed, squishy, make a pop. And then when you get to that spot, you're going to roll gently. You're going to roll that area gently, so a little circle on that area. You always want to go more gently on the connective tissue, and I am rolling, I'm not sliding. Then you can take the ball behind the knee, post patella, right behind the knee, and you can go cross the back of the knee. If you have a lot of pain here, chances are you've got some inflammation in the knee. So this is a great tool to assess your knees. Again, roll around, go deep in the quads, assess them often. Until next time.